today I'm doing my everyday makeup look. I don't wear this like on a daily basis, but when I want to look nice or I just want to do my makeup for fun, this is usually what I do. I also don't wear eyeshadow every day, but on the days that I do, this is usually the look that I do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching. So the first thing that I do is take coconut oil and I just moisturize. The next thing that I do is prime my face. This is the Juice Beauty Illuminating Primer. So a little bit of this goes a really long way. Then I take my Wet n Wild brow pencil and I brush my brows down and then very lightly fill those in. Then I take this e.l.f. clear gel. I just put that through my eyebrows. And then I brush through them with the spoolie. And then I take this Wet n Wild concealer and I just put a little dot under and above my brow. And then I lightly shape it with the concealer. I'm gonna color correct my skin with this Maybelline green concealer stick. And then I take this red lipstick and just color correct under my eyes and above my lip. Now for foundation, I take the Wet n Wild foundation. This is the Photo Focused in soft beige. So I just take the paddle and put it all over my face. And then I take the Farsali Unicorn Essence drops. This just adds a really nice glow and it kind of thins out the foundation so it doesn't look cakey or anything. And then I take a Real Techniques brush and I just blend this into my skin very roughly. Then I'm going to take my Real Techniques sponge and just blend this more into my skin. For concealer, I take the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. Then just to thin this concealer up, I'm taking the Wet n Wild one from before and I just kind of mix them together a little bit. And then for my blemishes, I'll take this e.l.f. brush. I just dip it in and then go right on top. So right after I finish all my concealer, I'm gonna bake under my eyes. I take the Coty Airspun powder, and this is the translucent one. And then I usually take a little bit more of the powder in this big e.l.f. brush, and I very, very lightly set the rest of my face. For bronzing, I take the Revolution Beauty contour palette. It's in All About Bronzed. I just take this brush I got from my Ipsy bag and I'll take this one. Sometimes I'll use that one if I'm really glowy, if I want to be really glowy. Maybe I'll mix them today. And then I'll take this big brush again and just make sure everything is blended nicely. And then I'll take a little bit of the same color and I'll just very kind of messily go around my nose because I don't want it to look too much like I contoured it. And then I'll take the extra and I just kind of brush it over my eyelids. And then I do blush. I use the same Revolution palette, but this one is Sugar and Spice. And then I'll take this one and this shiny one. Before I do highlighter, I brush off the bake. I use this Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive that I love so much. Like, it's so pretty. And I'll take this brush that I got in an Ipsy bag, and then I just go, look at that. It's so pretty. Under my brow, and then I do the inner corner. Then I'm gonna set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. I'm taking this Revolution palette color and this one. e.l.f. defining brush. This one, I think, and this red one. Gold, and this is so pretty. Oh my god. I take a Sally Hansen eyelash curler. This is my favorite eyelash curler ever. This part like doesn't stick out, so you can get super close to your eyelashes. I have really straight eyelashes because I'm Asian, so this just helps lift them right up. Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I just do like a very thin, quick coat of that. And then I take the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I do a third coat of a different Lash Sensational. I brush through basically every layer because I know I put on 3 mascaras and I don't want it to look clumpy. This is the only thing that keeps my eyelashes curled. On the bottom, I'm gonna take this dark color and mix it with a little bit of the brown. Then I'm gonna take my Too Faced lip injection, and I love this stuff so much. So I just like rub it on my lips and then I let it sit for a few minutes so my lips can get plumped up. Okay, so I'm in the middle of getting ready and I just changed, that's why I'm wearing something different. But I let my lips kind of plump up a little. So I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Stripped. Okay, so I don't think it like matches perfectly, but that's okay. Alright, so that is my everyday kind of makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys soon.